Good morning students. Let's start new chapter number 10, practical geometry. Now in this lesson, construction of a parallel line to a given line through a point not on the line. Means see what we have to construct here. Parallel line to a given line through a point not on the line, means the point which is not on the line. From that we have to draw the parallel line to the given line. So for that, what is the step 1? Take line L. Take line L. Here draw line L. Okay. Line L. Okay. Construction of a line parallel to the given line. Now see, this is given line. And for this line, we have to draw the parallel line through a point not on the line. Means from which point is not on the line. So take point A outside of this line. See, for this line, parallel line we have to draw. Through what? Through a point not on the line. Now this point A is not on this line. So through this point we have to draw the parallel line to the given line. Okay. So now here take point A outside it. Okay. Now take any point B on the line L. Take any point, anywhere you can take, here, anywhere. Take point B. See, I have taken here. Take point B on line L and now join B to A. Now B to A we have to join. Okay. B to A. Okay, this is second step. Now after that, what we have to do? We have to use this compass with B as a center. Now with B as a center and take convenient radius in this compass. Okay, B as a center and convenient radius. Okay, we have to take convenient radius and draw an arc cutting this L and BA. Okay. Draw an arc cutting L and BA. Draw an arc cutting L and BA. Okay. So now here write AB, here write C, D. Okay. Now after that, what is the fourth step? Now with A as a center and with the same radius. Okay. What radius we have taken here? Convenient radius. Now A as a center and with the same radius, draw an arc. Okay. Draw an arc. Okay. So write here now, give your name. A, B, C, D, E, F. Here for this point write G. Okay. Now place the pointed tip on the compass at C. Place the pointed tip. See, this is pointed tip of compass at C. Okay. At C. And adjust the opening. Adjust the opening so that the pencil tip is at D. How to adjust pencil tip? This pencil tip should be at D. See here. Okay. So this much distance we have to take. Pencil tip is at D. Okay. Now with the same opening as in this step, what we have to do? With G as a center, draw an arc cutting EF. Draw an arc cutting EF. See, draw an arc cutting EF. Okay. So now here we got this point. Okay. Now join A to this point. Now which point we got? For this point we have to write H. Okay. For this point, this distance it was E. This up till here it was E and this was F. Now we got point H here. Okay. After G, this is point H. Okay. Now join this A to H. Join this A to H. So we got, okay, so we got this line. So write the name for this line M. So write the name for this line M. So we got the parallel line to the given line. See, this is the given line and we got the parallel line to the given line. Okay, so what we did first, see again I will revise this. Okay, first we have to take line L. Take any point outside it. A. We took A, okay, outside it, and take any point on L. So B. Now join BA. Okay, we join BA, then take convenient radius, draw an arc. Okay, we have draw an arc, then we gave the name CD. And with the same radius, what we have to do? We have to keep on A and draw EF. Draw an arc and give the name for that EF. Okay, so after that what we got here? Here we got point G. Now keep this tip of this compass at C and adjust this till D. Okay, so this distance we have to take, and then keep this compass tip on G and draw an arc cutting EF. Okay, draw an arc cutting EF here. Now here we got point H. Now joint AH. Joint point AH. So this line we got parallel line. See, for L we got the parallel line M. Okay. Let's solve exercise 10.1 question number 1. Now in this exercise, see what is the first question. Draw a line, say AB. Draw a line. Okay. See, here I will draw a line. Draw a line AB. Say AB. What they have given name? AB. Okay. Draw a line AB. Take a point C outside it. Okay. Take point C outside it. See, here I have taken the point outside it. C. Take point C outside it. Through C, draw a line parallel to E. Means from this C, we have to draw the parallel line to the given line. Now only we have learned that. Now this is point C outside it, and from this point we have to draw the parallel line to the given line AB. Okay, so for that what we have to do now here, what we have to do, we have to take point D anywhere on AB. Okay, here on this AB we have to take point D. Take point D. C. Okay, now joint CD. Okay, join CD. Okay, now after that what we are going to do? D as a center, and with convenient radius draw an arc cutting this DC and this line. Okay, cutting this. What I did? You have to draw a line, say AB. First draw AB. Take a point C outside it. Take point C outside it. Through C, draw a line parallel to AB. So from this C, we have to draw the parallel line. Parallel line, you know, to AB using ruler and compass only. What they have told, you have to use ruler and compass only. Okay, using ruler and compass only. So C point we took outside it. Okay, so take any point D on AB. So here D, then join CD, then take point D. Okay, and take convenient radius D as a center and convenient radius. Draw an arc. Okay, so now A, B, C, D. Now write here name E, F. Okay, after that what we are going to do? With the same radius and with the same radius, what we are going to do? With the same radius, C as a center and with the same radius, draw an arc. Okay, C as a center. See, what was the radius here? See, this is the radius. With the C center and same radius, draw an arc. Now, what to give name? C. Now A, B, C, D, E, F. Now here give the name G, H, and write here G, H, and give here name I. This point is I. Okay. Now what we have to do? Place the pointed tip on E. See here. Place the pointed tip on E and adjust this opening. Okay. Compass at E and adjust the opening so the pencil tip is at F. Adjust the opening so the pencil tip is at F. See, this distance we have to take. E to F. Okay. E to F with the same opening. Okay, with the same opening of this step and with I as a center, draw an arc cutting GH. For this GH, draw an arc cutting GH. Okay, so here we got point. Okay, here we got point. So give the name HI. Now give for this point, give the name J. Okay, now join J and C. Now what we have to do? Join J to C. If we will join J to C, see here J to C. So what we'll get? We'll get the parallel line to the given line. Join G to C. So what we got? Parallel line for AB. See, draw a line, say AB, take point C outside it, through C, draw a parallel line to the AB. For AB we got through C parallel line. Okay, so what we did first? AB, we draw first AB. Okay, then what we did? Take C point outside it, C point outside it. Okay, after that what we did? Take any point on D, join CD, then D as a center and with convenient radius draw an arc. Okay, okay, after that what we did? C as a center and with the same radius we have draw an arc. Okay, now here we got the point I. Okay, then keep the tip on E and adjust the setting. See, till here. And now take I as a center. With the same radius, draw an arc cutting GH. So here we got point J and from J to C we have to join. So we will get the parallel line to the AB. JC is the parallel line to the AB. Let's solve question number 2. Draw a line L. See, draw here line L. Draw a line L. Okay, draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. Now take any point on L. Take any point on L and draw a perpendicular. Draw a perpendicular to L. From any point L. Okay, so now from this point we have to draw the perpendicular. So for that what we will do? Keep your this point on here and take convenient radius, draw an arc. Okay, now for this point give name A. Okay, now suppose this is B and this is C. Now what you have to do? Keep your this tip on this B, pointed tip on B, take more than half distance, draw an arc. Okay, with the same radius you have to draw an arc. Now join this. So now you will get perpendicular to A. Now perpendicular to A we got. Now what it is given? On this perpendicular, see perpendicular for this L we got the perpendicular. Draw a line L. Draw a perpendicular to L. Perpendicular to L we got. Okay. Choose a point X. Now on this perpendicular, choose a point X. Where we have to choose a point X? 4 centimeter away from L. It should be 4 centimeter away from L. Now L is here and it should be 4 centimeter away. So now take the measurement 4 centimeter in this compass. 4 centimeter measurement take. Okay, 4 centimeter away. So here we got 4 centimeter. So write X point here, point X. So we got here X point. See, this point is X. Now what it is given? 4 centimeter away from L. Now through X. Now from this point draw a line M parallel to L. Now from this point we have to draw a line parallel to the line L. From this point we have to draw the parallel line to the L. Okay. So for that what we are going to do? Now here we got X. Now keep this compass tip, pointed tip on X. Take convenient radius, draw an arc here, cutting to this perpendicular. Okay, cutting to this perpendicular. Okay, now what we are going to do? See, A, B, C. Now give here name D, E. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to bisect the distance ED. Means now what we here. Now keep your this compass tip on D. Take more than half distance. Draw an arc here and here. Okay. With the same way. Now what you have to do? With the same measurement, with the same radius, keep this tip on E. Keep this pointed tip on E. Draw an arc. Okay. So now join this. So what we got for parallel line L? See, through X, draw a line M. We got the line M parallel to L. What we did? See, through X we got the parallel line M to the parallel line L. See, first what we did? We have to draw a line L. Draw a line L. At any point on L, what we have to draw? We have to draw a perpendicular. At any point L, draw a perpendicular. So take point A. Okay. Now with the convenient radius, draw an arc. C, B, C. Okay. Now from this, we have to draw the perpendicular. So B as a center and with more than half distance, draw an arc. Okay, so this perpendicular we got for L. Okay, this perpendicular we got. Now after that what it is asked? On this perpendicular choose a point X. Choose a point X. Okay, but how we have to choose? Not, it is given the distance 4 centimeters. So take 4 centimeter distance in the compass. Okay, and now keep it on A and draw an arc. Okay, so here we got X, and now what it is asked? Through X, through this X, draw a line M. Through this X, draw a line M parallel to L. For this L, we have to draw a parallel line. Okay, so what we are going to do? Keep this pointed tip on X. Take convenient radius. Draw an arc. Okay, so now what we are going to do? Keep your this pointed tip on D. Take more than half distance. Now this distance we have to bisect. Okay, so take more than half distance and draw an arc. Okay, with the same radius. don't change the distance, draw an arc. So it will go exactly on from point X. So we got the line M parallel to L.